Hello, everyone. This is Reggie with A Team Appliance. If you're new to my channel, I am a washer dryer repair technician, and I run my own business. So I do repairs, and also I sell machines. My channel mainly is about how to fix washers and dryers. Now I've been, had a few videos now just sharing um, information on entrepreneurship and this time management. So I thought I'll go out here and share that information from my perspective, which can help others. I wish I had these resources available when I started. YouTube was around, but it just wasn't a lot of people sharing. Everybody was trying to get you to sign up for their course or whatever. So today I want to talk about making rules for time management, rules for your business. And these rules are predicated on your level. So this is something I don't see talked about a lot. Like some people say, hey, you make time because you want to make time for your family, make time to to grind, work hard, and all this other stuff. But there's different levels. And something that made me think about this is somebody I had hired once, and they were trying to copy my level. Like they were my employee, but felt they should got the same benefits as far as leisure time and the stuff I did. Like almost trying to make me feel guilty for having them work while I went out and hang with my family. You know, and I get that, but there's levels to that. Like it's we're not on the same level. I'm hiring you. So again, I was him. And there are rules, right? So I didn't make rules to have every weekend off when I started because I was grinding. He's trying to get the business going. So this information ranges, I would say, for any entrepreneurship level. At the beginning, you grind, man. You usually don't have a lot of money to invest. Even if you did, you don't want to piss away money on something until you can get it going and working. And it's kind of like a car, a transmission. For all you mechanics out there, you might understand this. It's like a car, in momentum. In first gear, you burn the most fuel when you go from a standstill position to driving, and you burn the least amount of fuel when you're like over 60 miles per hour because of momentum. You need more power, you need more gas to get going. Same thing with entrepreneurship. You need more momentum, you need more gas, you got to put in more hard work, put in more sweat, put in more blood to get the business going. And as it gets going, as you get the momentum, then you can set rules. I'm at a point where, like, when I first started, to compare, when I first started, I did $99 special on fixing Whirlpool dryers because that's the number one easiest thing to fix. And I figured I would drum up a lot of business just doing these little quick fixes on these dryers. Kind of the downside on that, though, is, if something, if with dryers, they're sensitive. Long story short, if dryers are sensitive and something goes wrong, it breaks again, you're still responsible for it, even if it wasn't the part that you fixed. So I don't do $99 repairs no more. It's not worth my time. So that's a rule I have set for myself and I have earned, because fixing that $99 dryer will cost me the $300 front loader repair as far as time. So I've earned the right to not chase $99 repairs. Not knocking it. That was my bread and butter when I first started because you had zero and I didn't have the experience. So treat yourself like a nice car, right? Mercedes costs a lot more than Hondas. Hondas are nice cars, reliable, but Mercedes are worth more. They sell a lot more Hondas than they do Mercedes, but Mercedes are worth more. So when you first start, you're that Honda. You're economic, but as you progress and you turn into a Mercedes, where you have skill now, you have more value, you're good at what you do, and you can put more value on your time, then spending an hour on a $99 repair, you pass on that to get to $300 repair. Now, be wary though. Don't be entitled, because when business gets slow, guess what? You can always, that $99 repair is always going to be there. It's going to be there. So moral of the story is, until you're a Mercedes, be a Honda. You know, don't be a Honda pretending to be a Mercedes. Be a Honda. You want to, grind, and like that the employee I said earlier, that was a little, little envious. I was him, but I didn't envy some. I wasn't hating. I wasn't thinking like, oh, I deserve that. Oh, I was thinking that, but I was thinking, I deserve that, but I'm going to earn it. I'm going to build myself. I saw it as a glimpse into the future. Like, man, I see that guy grinding, Or I see that guy with a nice house, with a family, with cars. Man, I want that to be me. I'm not hating that guy. I am inspired by him. I'm like, okay, that's what I want to be. Let me do what I got to do. Let me not sit in bed all day and do that. And let me go grind. Let me do what I got to do. Let me think outside the box. Let me look through Craigslist back in the day. Let me look through Craigslist, see if I can find some cheap machines I can buy and resell. Just get creative and allow whatever drives you, man. Getting a nice house or living a lifestyle that you want to live. Heck, even if you're young and you want to party every weekend, guess what? You deserve it. You can do it if you grind it during the week. Let me do what I got to do so I can spend this weekend the way I want to spend it. So that's just my advice. That's just my story, my sharing. Setting rules for yourself. You earn the right to set rules for your time, for your business, for your life. This is Reggie, A-Team Appliance.